Imagine this, someone asks for your portfolio and you say, I don't have one, or they ask for your sample, you freeze. Most beginner copywriters face this problem. They want to earn as copywriter, but they don't know how to write a single copy. If you want to become a copywriter, you need to think like them. You need to follow the routine that top copywriter use every day. In this video, I'll share 90-day step-by-step routine which help you to build skill, confidence, and a real portfolio. So let's start it. Number 1, handwriting copy. Take a high-performing sales page or any copy and write word by word by hand. This train your brain and help you to understand how copy actually works. Now the question is where you find these high converting sales page or copy. You can subscribe to the top copywriter email list like Alex Catoni, Alex Hermosy, or Dan Locke, and subscribe as a customer and study email they send you. Check Facebook ads library, Instagram ads, explore website like ClickBank, JVuzu, Warrior Plus, Swipe.co, Lepa Ninja. These are real and tested pages. How to practice? Write for 30 to 60 minutes daily and focus on a headline, benefit section, problem section, offer section, and call to action. Do this daily. This is your foundation step. Number 2, rewrite in your own style. Start this step after 5 to 10 days. Rewrite the same copy in your own style. Change tone, wording, and audience. Work on one page for 2 to 3 days, after then switch. This will not only improve your skill, but it also starts building your portfolio. Take your time. I know it's hard, but these 90 days are easier than to staying stuck and watching others earn. Number 3, write 5 headlines every single day. Pick one topic and write 5 different headlines about the same thing. Why is this important? Headline is most important part of copywriting. If your headline is boring, no one clicks. If no one clicks, no one reads. If no one reads, then your copy and everything else is useless. For example, if you can write best copy in this word, but if your headline doesn't grab attention, then you have already lost. That's why you need to practice headlines every day. I know as a beginner, writing the headline from scratch can feel difficult. So you don't need to create a headline from zero. You just need to follow the proven headline formulas. Most copywriters use them, and I have already made video on this. You can watch it here. Number 4, explore different styles. Once you comfortable, try landing page, sales page, email, product description, and Instagram caption. This will help you to understand different styles of copy and will help you to discover what you enjoy most and prepare you for real client work. Many beginners start asking, how do I find client and how do I earn money fast? This is a wrong question. The real question is, do you even know how to write a copy? Because why would anyone pay you if you don't know how to work? There's no free money in this world. Listen carefully. No matter whatever anyone says, like shortcut, trends, fancy words, this word only work one way. If you must do extra work that others don't do, that's only shortcut. If you do 5x, 10x more effort than others, you will grow faster. Most people don't do that. That's why only small percentage succeed. Number 5, focus on English. This step for those whose English is weak. First, check your English level B1, B2 or higher. In copywriting, writing matters more than speaking. While writing, you can think, edit, and improve your grammar. Your copy needs to be correct and clear. That's what clients see first. Speaking is different thing. Speaking for communication, interview, and taking orders. So you don't need perfecting grammar or accent. You just need to speak clearly. Because while speaking, if you overthink about grammar, you will freeze. Focus on writing, but practice both. And remember one thing: if you don't need perfect English to start. If you're at B1 level, start now. Number 6, learn something every day. Spend 20 to 30 minutes daily learning about copywriting. For example, how to write headlines, structure of sales page, clarity and persuasion. Watch copywriting videos, YouTube videos and podcasts, and daily small learning plus practice is equal to real improvement. So that's it for today's video. And don't listen to those people who make fun of you, who demotivate you, saying thing like copywriting that your English is not perfect, you're not speaking like American, you're not speaking like British. these people are not building anything in their life. If they were successful, they wouldn't have time to spread negativity. So focus on yourself, don't listen to anyone, and follow this formula for these kind of people. Ignore, filter, and move on, and follow those people who tell you truth and motivate you and will help you to grow. Copywriting is not difficult. What's difficult? Doing nothing, wasting your time, gossiping, toxic environment. Learning skill is much easier than that. So stay focused, don't compare yourself with others. Consistency beats talent. These 90 days can change your direction if you stay focused and practice daily. After 90 days, comment below with your progress, and I will share my 90 days journey. If you follow this routine, you will understand copywriting, improve your English, build portfolio, and gain confidence to apply for work. You can also follow me on Medium to read my article and improve your writing. Link in the description, and in the next I will make a full video how to create a portfolio after 90 days, step by step. And most people will watch this video, but only few will actually follow it. Be that person. Like this video and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.